Hey kids, welcome back to another DuckmanCycles video production. Today I bring you the Kommandeurwagen contest winners video. That's right, we ran a contest over the last week to give away 21 prizes today to those that competed in the comments section, and we had a lot of entries, hundreds even. So please stick around while we bring you this announcement. And meanwhile, licky, likey, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back right after that intro. This was a fun game, with people entering from all over the world, but like any other game, there were rules to play, and when participating with the public, you'll find a lot of people that don't fulfill their part of the requirements. Well, I didn't want to risk being accused of reinforcing rules and acting as the same political party which created the original Kommandeurwagen. You know who. But today we're just gonna call them the OG Volkswagen enthusiasts, that's right. I fought against the powers that be just for you guys so that we could bend the rules for our contest just a little bit in the best interest of happy contestants and a fun game that maximizes on all the 21 prizes being given away. Now that you know I'm a nice guy and I'm looking out for you, how about them prizes? So let's go ahead and start out with the first 10 Instagram winners who will be the recipients of the $20 off coupons. There's a lot of you guys, so please listen closely to the following list. Crabworks RC, Mudboggers Garage, VW Jawbreaker, Hoff's Place, MDub 303, Jash 68 VW, The Adventures of Quackers, Micro Mob, Kenrod 02, Beth A. Dyson. Those of you that just heard your name, you're also tagged in this post on Instagram, so please message me there and I'll send you your coupon codes. I sure hope you guys follow up with pictures and videos once you receive your Kommandeurwagens. Well, what about our YouTube audience? You guys were fierce with the comments and there was a lot of names for the judges to go through, so here's the results. Sandra Lewis, Max M, Noel Amick, Spunky's Model Shop, Jembola Cirrus, Marshall Hartley, Dino White, Jackie Crandall, Ron Tharp, and VW Beetle Dave. Congratulations, you guys, on another batch of $20 off coupons. But what's left? Well, the grand prize, of course. Who gets a brand new Kommandeurwagen shipped to their house for free? Well, I do a drum roll, but it's just a bit too cliche. So, the winner is Backyard Combi on YouTube! Yeah, man, congratulations! I expect you to make some cool videos of your Kommandeurwagen once you receive it, and I'll be watching them. The same goes for all of my winners today. Share your pictures and videos with me. I'll like, I'll comment, and I'll subscribe. It'll be a party. But how do you guys claim your prizes for the party? Well, please contact me at my email address, DuckmanCycles@duckshit.net, or any of my other social media accounts that you can see down below in the video description. I've got no way to reach out to you, so in order for you to claim your prize, you must contact me. Let me know who you are, and I'll send your coupons back to you pronto. Thank you, guys. Thanks to all our winners. And thanks again to everyone that entered the contest today. There were hundreds of you. Really, there were hundreds. It was a lot for the judges to go through, and we'll do another one like this soon. Special thanks to our friends at FMSHobby for sharing their Rochobby Kommandeurwagen with us and making this contest possible. It wouldn't have happened without them. Links are down below in the video description, and don't forget, any purchase that you make gives me a kickback and goes towards my new shop space. Thanks everyone for watching, licky, likey, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.